Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're focusing on how to set up and manage project budgets on teamwork.com, your full guide for 2025. First up, log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the Projects tab. This is where all your project management happens. Here, you'll see a list of all your ongoing projects. Select the project for which you want to set a budget. Now, the reason we do this is to ensure that every project has a clear financial plan, helping you stay on track and avoid overspending. Once you've selected the project, look for the Budget tab in the project details. Click on it to open up your budget settings. This step is important because it's where you'll input all the financial details related to your project, such as total budget, expenses, and projected income. After you've accessed the budget settings, input your total project budget in the designated field. This is the total amount you're willing to spend on the project. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is recording this data and will use it to track your project expenses and income. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your projected expenses. Click on Add Expense, fill in the details, and save it. Repeat this process for all projected expenses. This helps us because it gives us a clear view of where our money is going, and it also allows Teamwork.com to automatically calculate your remaining budget as you input actual expenses later on. Next up, you have the option to input projected income. If you expect to generate revenue from this project, input these details now. The reason we do this is to have a clear understanding of the project's profitability, which is key to strategic decision-making. Finally, remember to regularly update your actual expenses and income as the project progresses. This will allow Teamwork.com to track your budget in real time and alert you if you're nearing your budget limit. Let me explain why this matters. Consistent budget tracking helps prevent financial oversights and enables proactive management of project costs. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped to set up and manage project budgets on Teamwork.com, ensuring financial clarity and control in your projects. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.